Milwaukee's slogan reads nothing but heavy duty, and this stands for just about anything with their name on it. From their durable hand tools, their rugged pack-out storage, but most prominently in their flagship M18 cordless power tool range. This is an 18-volt range of cordless power tool that has the perfect combination of professional power and extreme performance. Milwaukee have instilled this philosophy in over 215 tools that expand over a huge variety of uses. Many of these tools utilize their trademark fuel and wonky technology, which we have a separate video for here. One of their most prominent M18 tools is their FPD2 combi drill. This thing is an absolute beast, and it is quickly becoming one of the most popular combis on the market. This combines the very best technology that Milwaukee has to offer, including a brushless power state motor and RedLink Plus overload protection. But M18 has so much more to offer than just your bread and butter. There is an expansive range of unique and specific tools. From drain cleaners, polishers, and even a brushless cable puller. And if you're looking to get the job done in the garden, Milwaukee have got you covered there with a huge range of cordless garden power tools. And when it comes to power tools, they can only be as strong as their battery, and that is where these, the Milwaukee red lithium batteries, come into play. Milwaukee have taken apart their old 18-volt batteries, totally reworked the system from the ground up, and that is why they now work harder and last longer. To sum it up, you're looking at a longer battery life, more power, and longer runtime. These things, just like the power tools, are built tough. But if you're looking to take things to the next level, Milwaukee have released an updated line of red lithium batteries as high output. These are exactly what they say on the tin. Smarter electronics and better power control mean that you're getting 50% more power out of one of these than you would a standard lithium-ion battery. So as you can tell, Milwaukee are always trying to one-up themselves and create something game-changing for professional users. And the M18 range is proof of their dedication to making powerful and heavy-duty power tools. With the launch of our new superstore, ITS is the place to be. Check out all things Milwaukee and M18 over at its.co.uk, and be sure to follow our socials to be the first to know about new products, deals, and more.